guys, welcome to another video. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and do everything that needs to be done. So let's see what happens and let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to another section of learning with HTML, and in this video I'm going to explain how you can add an image to your website. As you can see in my right hand side, I've added an image. And before that, if you haven't watched my previous video, please go and check it out, because without which you won't be able to understand this video. I've added the link to my previous video in the description below. Go check it out first. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all the necessary things that needs to be done. And finally, let's get started. So I'm going to talk about the image tag over here. As you can see, after the ordered list, I've added an image. Now this is the syntax for adding an image to your HTML page. Now the image tag is like the BR tag. Remember, I've explained the BR tag does not have a closing tag. Similarly, image tag does not have a closing tag. Image tag is the only single tag. Now the image tag has a source. Now what is this source? Source is used to define the path of the image. Okay. Now I've saved this image in a particular folder in my computer. So I have copied the path of the image and I've put it over here. Okay. So what you can do is, I would suggest that you don't just put the link of the image. Like, suppose if you want to put an image, if you've seen an image online and you want to like put that image into your website, I would suggest you go and download the image, save it in a file in your desktop, and then you use the path of the image in your code to put that image in your website. Okay, don't just directly copy the path from internet and put it over here, because it doesn't always work. Okay. If you want me to make a video on this precisely, how to add path to the HTML page, then comment down below. I will discuss this broadly in my later videos. If you want me to make a video on that, please comment down below. Okay. So what you can do is, you will save the image that you want to put it in your HTML page, and then copy the path of the image and put it here within two inverted commas. The inverted comma is very important, and obviously the two arrow tags. Okay, so this is the syntax for adding image to your HTML page. Now coming back to the theory portion, I've explained how you can add attributes in your HTML page. We have seen how we can add attributes to our lists, right? By default, we have round bullets in case of unordered lists, but if we want to change the type of the bullet, we can add a type attribute and change the type of the bullet to circle, to square. Okay. So what are these attributes? These attributes are used for better structuring of the website or the web page. Okay. So attributes can provide additional information about the website and used for better structuring. Now this is the attribute tag over here. Now the attribute has two important things. One is name and the other is value. Okay. So here you can see, in case of this is the ordered list tag, and this is the name of the tag. This is the attribute name, and this is the value of the attribute. Now this is how we add attributes. See, this is the tag name, then we will add the attribute name equal to the value of the attribute. Okay. We have to close the tag the starting tag here and write the content in the middle and then close the tag finally. Okay, here you can see we've done the same thing. We have opened this OL tag over here. Within the OL tag, this is the tag name, this is the attribute name, this is equal to, and this is the value of the attribute. Similarly, here we have added, since we have added two attributes over here, this is the attribute name equal to, this is the value of the attribute. And here we have written all the contents, and finally we have closed this OL tag over here. So if you want to add attribute to your tags, then please remember this format, and you can easily add tags to your web page and design it more precisely and nicely. Now coming to height and width, you can specify the height and width of the image that you are putting into your website. Okay, I haven't added any height and width of the image, but I can certainly add height, specify height to 500 and width to width to, I don't know, maybe 500. Okay, let's save it. Run it. It's already the same. It has the 500 height only, so the changes are not shown. In case you don't want to specify the height and width, it's completely fine. The image will be adjusted according to your website, according to your web page. But if you want to specify the image, you can add the height and width of the image like this. Right? Okay. So even height is an attribute. Height has a value and width also has a value, and generally the height and width value is defined in pixels. Now pixels is the unit. Every value has a unit, so here we are defining the value as pixels. Now coming to anchor tags, I will explain anchor tags in my later videos in more detailed way. Now here anchor tags, what are anchor tags? Suppose you may have seen in different websites, if you go to Wikipedia, you can see that in the reference section of the Wikipedia page there are different links to the references of the websites. So how do we add a link to your website? In order to redirect the customers or the viewers to a different web page, we use anchor tags. Anchor tags are basically used to redirect or connect to different or two or more different websites into a particular website. So anchor tags are defined by the tag A like this. Tag A like this, and yes, we can add links using this anchor tags in our web page. Okay, so here you might have seen the links are underlined in blue if you haven't visited the link. In general, by default it is underlined and it is blue, and if you have visited the link, it turns into purple, and a link which is an active link, it is underlined as red. Okay, it is underlined and red. So these are the 3 points that you need to know about the links. So how do we add links? I'm going to explain how do we add links in my later videos. And if you have any problem or if you do not understand anything, please comment down below and I'll try to explain it. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video and go check out the other videos. That is it, and keep learning, keep inspiring. Thank you so much, guys.